Next up, I'm going to talk to you about my last two web pages that I've created. For one's called firstaid.html, the other is called a about.html. As you can see, the layout is basically very similar. It has the same nav bar positioned the very same way, and has the label positioned the very same way, which is center of the very top of the page. So here is my first aid kit page. What I've done here is basically just list the contents of a first aid kit. So adhesive tape, and finger splits, all that kind of stuff. And just a little image of what a first aid box looks like. This is a good page to do because first aid kits are very handy and could even save someone's life. I thought it was important to to tell users what is actually inside a first aid kit, and because I guarantee you very little people know exactly what is in there. Within the content of the in the web page, the actual stuff that's inside the first aid kit, I've put it inside a layer. This is just kind of like a box that you can put stuff into, like text here like this, or if I want to I could have put my image inside a layer. What I like about layers is it's very easy to move around. Like, all you have to do is just put it in. You can resize it for whatever size you want. You can position it anywhere you want in the page, so I can position it right beside the image, say here, and so on. So let's just see. Let's go back where it was. Um, Here's my CSS code and my HTML code for the layer. So the layer is declared up in my CSS code. So the layer 1 is in here. It uses 258 px is the width, the height is 183, and here's position from left to top. Again, this is why I like the layer so much, because you can do width and height, you can change it whatever you want. It's easy as anything. And as you can see in here, the very bottom, the content, so the content is all centered and is in style of 6, and here it shows what it says. And here is my layer 5, and you can see all the contents inside the layer here. Finally, here is my about page. I have no layers, but just a very simple web page. All it is a web page just to describe or say why I did this website, what's it about, and the reason why I'm not doing my website in Visual Studio and I'm doing it in Dreamweaver instead. And again, like I said, same layout as the first aid.html page, and indeed every single page. Consistency is important. So if I just show you what it looks like in Firefox, here what it looks like. It's just simple content, navigation bar, and my image up in the top. And the nav bar again, it works very well. So I'm in my about page for my first aid kit, and as you can see, the layer doesn't show up in the website or in the internet browser. It just says perfect like this. So that is all.